Color Masters Designer's Palette.
Hello fabric friends. So the secret is out. AGF is now offering curated fabric bundles. Let me introduce you to the Color Master Designer Palette. The very best of each designer's fabrics are grouped together to create perfect bundle for your sewing needs. Our new designer's palette comes in 12 different bundles, available in a bundle or box version, in fat quarters and half yards. First up is Pat Bravo, and she is definitely my go-to designer when I want to create a project with a bit of bohemian flair. Incorporating her famous floral designs and use of color will give your next sewing project the perfect touch of romance and eclectic design. Matthew, also known as Mr. Domestic, is the newest addition to our designer crew. We have collected the best-selling prints from his debut collection called Love to Pieces, making sure to offer an even amount of lights and darks and scale for optimal quilt making. Bari J. Bari J is known for her painterly florals and maximalist style. You will find a lovely combination of artistic florals infused with the right amount of geometrics and blenders. Amy Sinibaldi. Amy stays young at heart with her charming, delicate, and youthful collections. In her palette, you will find sweet florals, soft shades of pinks and blues, and cute, heartwarming designs. Katarina Roccella. If you're looking for jaw-dropping, edgy prints and blenders that act as solids, but add the right amount of texture and movement, then I highly encourage you to check out Katarina's bundle. Bonnie Christine. Bonnie is your gal when you're looking for a sweet, earthy color palette, with delicate designs dedicated for her love for nature. Create calming quilts and refreshing home decor with her tranquil color palette. Sharon is a designer of many talents who is inspired by the world around her, capturing photographs and translating these images into her paintings and hand drawings. She turns them into the most powerful fabric collections. Maureen Cracknell. Maureen's hand-drawn sketches come to life with different shades of magical blues and pops of pretty pinks. I love how she plays with nature elements, while staying true to her boho style and always adding a hint of playfulness among her prints. Dana Willard. 3 words that come to mind when sewing with Dana Willard's fabric is festive, colorful, and simplistic. If you like bright, happy colors and adore novelty prints, her collections will fit nicely into your fabric stash. April Rhodes. If you love everything Southwestern, April Rhodes is the designer for you. Her bundle is full of warm, earthy tones and sky blues to create the most visually relaxing quilts and home decor. Caroline has been known for her cheerful and playful collections. Expect to see fun geometrics, bold brush strokes, and vibrant color. Her bundle is an easy way to add some excitement to your quilt and quilting projects. Jessica Swift. I love how her collections tell a story, and sewing with her fabrics opens your imagination to creating things with a fun, colorful mindset. I'm so excited to get sewing with each one of these bundles, and after going through all of them, it's way too hard to choose a favorite. They are all my favorite in different ways. I can't wait to see what you all sew with them and which ones you gravitate to.
This is mine, and I am stoked. Because of these curated bundles, you're able to just grab one of these, go, make a quilt, make whatever you want. It's good. They all go together, and then they're all about me.